I think we started well. We dictated the game. We creating chances. We didn't take them. And then, one mistake. But even then, till halftime, I think we play a very decent game. And
despite David De Gea did mistake over today's match against West Ham United, here Ten Hag, is the manager of the Manchester United Football Club, defends him by saying that David De Gea has been great goalkeeper, has been one among the incredible goal taker of all time of this club. As of course, what happened today on the pitch, it is just a human mistake. As of course, it's a time now to think about the next matches, and of course, it's not the right time now to think about the mistakes that were done by someone, and of course everybody played well. As what happened today, it's a part of football, and it's a time now to focus for the next matches of the Premier League, as clubs target clubs plan this season is to make sure that is just finishing a good position as well as to participate in UEFA Champions League next season. In fact, here Ten Hag knows all the quality of the West Ham United Football Club, and of course he uses to say that Tottenham were so good, they were so great in today's match. That's why they have got the today's 3.8 points, and of course it's so good in fact, and it means this is just a football, and of course we